Hello children, welcome back to English 2 class for standard 1. This is your English 2 book children. Open your book children. Today we will start lesson 2. It is about sharing is caring. Children, if we share things with others, it means that we are caring for them. So it's good to share things with others. What would you do if your friend forgot to bring his or her color pencil? Children, in your classroom, suppose if your best friend or your other friends they forgot to bring pencil or color pencil, then what you do, children? If you have double pencil, you just share with them. So it gives happiness to them also and to you also. So children, here in this poem we will read about a small girl, Anya, who learns to share. She learns how to share things with others. So let's see how. Ding, 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 ding. It was break time. All the boys and girls rushed out to play. Anya sat by herself. She played with her new doll. So children, during break time, bell ring and all the boys and girls in the classroom, they move out of the class to play. But Anya, who was a little girl, she sat alone herself with her new doll and played with it. Then see next page. May I play with your doll? Pia asked. No, you cannot. Go away, said Anya. So, Pia, who was a girl, she came to Anya and asked her that can she play with her doll. So Anya, she replied no, she will not give her doll to her and said her to go away. But sharing things is good, said Pia as she walked away. When Pia walked away from there, she told Anya that sharing things with other is always good. I don't care, shouted Anya. So Anya then said, I don't care. She don't listen to Pia. It was Rahul's birthday on the next day. There was a big cake for all. Everyone got a piece from the cake. So next day what happened? It was Rahul's birthday and all the children were invited there and there was a big cake and everyone, all the children, they got a piece from the cake. Just as Anya was about to take a bite of the cake, it fell on the ground. So when Anya was going to take a bite, eat a piece from a cake, it fell on the floor. Oh no, she cried. There was no cake left. So when the cake fell down, she cried, oh no, and there was no cake left for her extra piece. Pia saw this and went to Anya. She gave Anya half of her piece of cake. Pia saw this and that Anya's cake fell on the ground. So she went to Anya and gave half a piece of her cake to Anya also. Why do you want to give me your cake? Asked Anya. Because it is good to share things, said Pia. So Anya asked Pia that why she want to give her cake to her. So Pia replied that it is good to share things with others. I am sorry, I was rude to you yesterday, said Anya, taking the cake. It's okay, now you know that sharing is caring, Pia said. So, Anya, she felt ashamed for her behavior on previous day, what she had done with Pia. So, she said sorry to Pia and took the piece of cake from Pia. And in return, Pia said that it's okay. Now Anya learn how to share things with other. So our poem is finished, children. So you read this poem 2 times at your home. and next class I will tell you the question answer. Thank you children. Have a nice day.